If you're looking for a cream cheese frosting that's pipeable and can hold up a 3-tier cake, this is the recipe for you. Where I live, the cream cheese you can buy only comes in a pot, so I'm going to strain mine for about an hour, and you can see no water really comes into the bottom of the bowl, but you do get quite a bit of water on the paper towel. This just helps with the consistency of the cream cheese. If you live in a place where you can buy blocks of cream cheese, you don't have to do this. Just make sure it's at room temperature. To a bowl, add 200 grams, that's about 7/8 of a cup of softened butter. Then add in half of your powdered or icing sugar. You'll need 1,120 grams of icing sugar. That's just under 9 cups. I know it seems like a lot of sugar, but for cream cheese icing to be pipeable, you really need it. I'm adding half to start because I don't want it to fly out of the bowl when mixing it. It's really important that you sift your icing sugar very well for this recipe. We don't want any lumps in our frosting.
Beat together half of the icing sugar and the butter. Then slowly add more of the icing sugar until you've used it all up. I don't like to add all of the icing sugar all at once because it will just fly straight out of the bowl.
It's not going to look like much has happened, but go ahead and add in the rest of your sugar. Trying not to spill too much of it.
Continue to mix it together very slowly, and make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl so that all of the butter has been incorporated.
Once your butter and sugar looks like a wet, sandy mixture, add in your cream cheese. I know this method looks a little bit backwards, but trust me, if you want pipeable cream cheese frosting, this is the way to do it.
Slowly mix it together, and then once all of the icing sugar has started to dissolve and it's not going to fly out of the bowl, whip your icing on high, just for a few minutes to get rid of any lumps and bumps. You can see how lovely and thick it is. It's going to be perfect for piping.
So you now should have a nice, thick cream cheese frosting. While this frosting is pretty robust, it still does need to be refrigerated and it doesn't really hold up well in the heat. I wouldn't recommend this for icing, say, a wedding cake or a cake that's going to be outside at a picnic for a few hours.
And now you're ready to ice your multi-tiered cake.
If you're looking for a great cake for this icing, you have to try my perfect carrot cake. And if you found this video helpful, please do hit the like button and let me know in the comments your favorite cake for cream cheese frosting. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.